everyone, it's Irene with Expose the Heart Photography. I'm doing something a little different today. I'm going to be mounting my GoPro on top of my camera for my behind the scenes session. Please be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can see more content just like this. Just like that, very big smile for me. Do the step like this, kind of cross. There you go, like that. Adjust your jacket just a little bit. There we go, like that. Perfect. Stay just like that. You can relax your feet. I'm gonna just come in closer. You can keep it down like that, that feels good. It's gonna feel like you're twisting. Everything looks great. I'm just gonna have you bring your chin up, your head up like that. There you go, with a big smile. And turn to me a little bit. Right there, perfect. So the same pose, but turning this way instead. Yeah, so yeah, over that shoulder. And then look back at me this way. Like that, yeah. Just like that, perfect. That feels good. Big smile. Open those eyes wide and then relax them. One. Big smile. Perfect. With this hand here, I'm just gonna get like a close-up. With this hand here, I want you to just kind of like keep doing this, like you normally would fix your hair, but instead of pulling your chin in, because we end up getting something like this, I want you to just kind of keep it out and do that for me, okay? Am I in your way? Are you okay? Okay. Yeah, and look at me with a big smile. Kind of bring it down like you're gonna flirt with me like this. Bring it down like that. Like that, there you go. Like, I can't flirt with my auntie. Big smile. Just pretend I'm your boyfriend. I know you're like all goo-goo. Let me have you right in here. And it's gonna feel kind of like real flirty and sexy, but this dress just like plays well with it. So I'm gonna have you like lean like this and bring your hand up and just kind of look out. Just feel sexy and feel like bold and confident and just kind of like work your angles. Things that you would do to like flirt with your boyfriend, do that. There's no embarrassment here. Yeah, like that. Maybe bring it up some. There you go, like that. Lean into it. Since you're like have a little petite figure, I want you to like kind of lean to one end a little bit. That way we can just see a little curve. I know it doesn't hurt. Like that feels good. Like that feels good. Or you know what, why don't you just keep it down like that? Straight down like you're holding the wall. There you go. And then kind of lean into me. There we go, that feels good. Stay like that, don't move. Even if, I know, just shoulders back. There we go. Hold on, don't move. Looking up, out. Like that. Nice to meet. There you go, that feels good just like that. Maybe cross one foot under your other. There you go, and then lean them a little more. You okay like that? Yeah? Okay. Lean into this one here. Yeah, get comfortable, don't worry. Like that. Put this hand on top of your knee. Right there, perfect. Shoulders back. There you go. Okay, like that. Look to your side like that, kind of like to that way. There you go, just like that. With a little flirty smile, bring your chin out, point it. There you go. Bring your eyes to me like a little flirty. If you need to move that way a little bit so your hat won't touch it, right there. Better, like that? Okay, just like that. Bring a foot forward. And you're gonna just kind of arch like a little kitty. There you go. That feels good. Maybe bring that foot back. Touch the door with that foot. Bring it down. Yeah, let's do the front one instead. Bring it down, just like that. Feels good. A little lower. Yeah, that feels good. There you go. And then bring that hand down, like that. Bring your elbow in, like that. Perfect. Let me have you look down. Keep your head just like that. Bring your eyes to me. Great. Point your chin out for me. Chin up, honey. Pull your shoulders back, like you arch your back as much as you can. You're doing so great. Keep holding that for me. Look back at your sister with a smile. Keep your head where it was. Keep your head back right there. Hold that for me. Beautiful. Hold it. Smile this time. Okay. I'm going to come in and get close-up so I can get you counts too. Big smile. Hold that for me. You're doing good. That's good. We're good. That's a hit. I feel really good with what we have. Okay, everyone, so that concludes it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. Did you take something away that was informative? Give us some love either way, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.